All right, so this assignment is due at 8 p.m. today. We're practicing how to calculate molar mass. So for the first problem, we're calculating the molar mass of sodium bromide. So we need to look for Na and Br on the periodic table. And Na has a mass of 23, right? 22.99. I'm just gonna round that. And then we have Br equals 79.90 grams. So to calculate the molar mass, I'm just gonna add those two numbers together and I'm gonna calculate on my calculator, 79.9, and I get 102.9, all right? And the unit for molar mass is grams per mole. You guys, you need to put units. So if you submitted your work and I don't see units, I'm not gonna be happy. All right. All right. So let's move on to our next problem, which is let's do carbon dioxide. I think people mess that up a lot. So carbon has a mass of 12.01 on the periodic table, and oxygen has a mass of 16, right? And if you see, carbon dioxide is made with 2 oxygens. So when we add the numbers together, we have to add 1 carbon and we have to multiply the oxygen's mass by 2. So 2 times 16. So I'm going to do 2 times 16 equals 32 plus 12.01. I get 44.01 grams per mole. So your final answer should have units. I'm going to highlight and make it big so you guys can see. Right? So give me a thumbs up if you are getting this. Thumbs up, anyone? All right, I guess Jasmine and Oni don't get it. All right, so let's do calcium hydroxide. I'm gonna go over this one. All right, calcium hydroxide. Calcium on the periodic table has a mass of 40.08. I'm rounding it up. And oxygen has 16. And then hydrogen is 1.01 grams. Notice that I'm just rounding the numbers to 2 decimal places. All right, so here's the deal with calcium hydroxide, CaOH2. You see how there's the 2 is outside the parentheses, right? So this means that there are 2 oxygens here and 2 hydrogens, right? It's just like in math, you have to distribute the 2 to the oxygen and the hydrogen. So when we do the math out here, we're adding 1 calcium plus, we have 2 oxygens. So I'm going to do 2 times 16 plus 2 times 1.01 for hydrogen. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and use my calculator to calculate. And I'm going to get 40.08, 74.1. Is that right? Did anyone else get that? Give me a thumbs up. All right, so that's my final answer for calcium hydroxide. All right, so I went over 3 problems. I'm gonna leave the rest up to you guys to do by 8 o'clock tonight. Let me stop recording.